Hey guys, this is Otis Lift. Let's go up. Three, close. Otis 11% and 750 kg. All arrived. Let's check out the MR cabinet. Oh. And now let's go back to G. Close. Let's enjoy the scanning view. Oh, arrive. And that's it.